could probably fish here, but I don't know what you'd catch. I'm sure there's something in here though. Maybe some bass or trout. Dude, that's the loudest I've heard crickets and frogs like that since Florida. They are raging. I know. This shit would put me to sleep. I love it. It's nothing like in the summertime having your window open and hearing this. Are you coming? I keep walking slower and slower. Pretty soon I'll be going backwards. What? Well, I'm not either, but I only have one speed. I can't slow down. You know this. What? I haven't walked this trail since 2002.
I've never walked it.
What is that, 18 years? Wow. That's crazy. I'm getting old. 18 years ago and I was 15. 14. Somebody's got a little campsite up there, look. Look, they got their wood cut, and I guess if you're homeless, this would be the spot to be. I'd be renting some lots out here. That's private property though. I don't see no signs here.